Start.
Solution for reducing junk food composition include planning meals and snacks, replacing unhealthy items with nutrients, and identifying and managing trigger and making healthier preparation of favorite food, planning and preparation, stock healthy options, keep your home and car stocked with healthy snacks and nuts, fruits and low fat yogurt, avoid triggers, remove tempting and junk food from your home to reduce temptation. Drink drink water instead of soda, sport drinks or energy drink. Use healthy oils. Opt for healthier oils and like olive or avocado oil. Practice self composition. Forgive yourself if you overeat and get back track goals your goals. Obesity, junk food, chloride drains, leading to weight gain and increasing the risk of becoming obese. Diabetes, the high sugar content you can cause in insulin resistance and lead to type 2 diabetes. Cancer, there is link between junk food composition of an increased risk for some cancers. Liver and kidney problems, the diet high in junk food can to liver and kidney stones or infections. Thank you.